Hey everyone, and welcome back to Quiz Escape. Before we get started, why don't you like, subscribe, and slam that notification bell? How well do you know your cats? Show off your skills and identify these 30 cats in 5 seconds. Let's go! Which cat breed has a flat face and long coat? It's Persian. Which breed is known for its hairless appearance? It's Sphynx. Which breed is the largest domestic cat breed? It's Maine Coon. Which breed has blue eyes and a color point coat pattern? It's Ragdoll. Which breed has a curly coat? It's Selkirk Rex. Which breed originates from Thailand and has striking blue eyes? It's Siamese. Which breed is known for having a bobtail instead of a long tail? It's Japanese bobtail. Which breed resembles a wild leopard with spots? It's Bengal. Which breed has folded ears that bend forward? It's Scottish Fold. Which breed is known for its short legs? It's Munchkin. Which breed comes from Russia and has a silvery blue coat? It's Russian Blue. Which breed is a muscular cat with a distinctive, coarse, wiry coat? It's American Wirehair. Which breed is completely white with odd-colored eyes? It's Turkish Angora. Which breed has no tail or a very short tail? It's Manx. Which breed is a hybrid of a serval and a domestic cat? It's Savannah. Which breed originates from Norway and has a long, flowing coat? It's Norwegian Forest. Which breed has a distinctive golden brown, ticked coat? It's Abyssinian. Which breed is called a teddy bear cat because of its plush fur? It's British Shorthair. Which breed is known for their elegant, slender bodies? It's Balinese. Which breed is spotted and known for its athletic build? It's Egyptian Mau. Which breed has a long, slender body and big ears? It's Oriental Shorthair. Which breed has unique, curled backward ears? It's American Curl. Which breed looks like a mini Black Panther? It's Bombay. Which breed has a distinct van pattern on its head and tail? It's Turkish Van. Which breed has a curly, soft coat and big ears? It's Devon Rex. Which breed has large, pointed ears, green or yellowish-green eyes? It's Nibelung. Which breed originates from France and has a solid blue-gray coat? It's Chartreux. Which breed is known for its friendly, intelligent, and playful personality? It's Snowshoe. Which breed was bred to look like a miniature leopard or ocelot? It's Osicat. Last question. Which breed has a golden brown coat? It's Burmese. How did you go? Let us know in the comments.